Hello, this is Turkesh, and this is actually my first video. And I was trying to get UPI enabled on my phone, but I was having a lot of trouble. So after 4 days of effort, I finally figured out how to get UPI activated on your phone if you are in roaming. Uh, for me, I'm in US, so I followed a systematic way of getting UPI activated for multiple apps like Google Pay, uh, then Phone Pay, uh, Paytm. So what we are going to do is, if you talk to a customer care service, they will basically tell you you can't do it, and you have to come back to India and restart your SIM verification. But there is a way to do that even in US. So the first thing that you have to do is call customer service. So the first step is call customer service, and the number is 919910099100. So you're gonna call them and say that you want to start SMS service on your phone. And second thing, to figure out which service provider is providing your service in US. So for me, I had Airtel and the service provider was AT&T. Okay, and after you get that service provider, go to your mobile network and select it should be automatic by default. Select manual, and you get a bunch of AT&T, Verizon and everything, and select AT&T and restart your phone. Okay, after doing that, what you can do is second step would be to recharge your phone in with some roaming packs. So for me, so the next step is recharge with a roaming pack. Okay, so for me it was Airtel, and the charge was $8.99. And one thing you have to keep in mind is, in that roaming pack you must have some number of SMS allowed for international services. For me, Airtel had like 20 SMS you can send internationally or nationally, right? This is very important. Now the third step is, try sending a text to your friend in US or in India. If this works, great. Now you can forward with the step 4, verification of your SIM or your Google Pay or your Phone Pay, whatever UPI you are using. So basically here you can, basically what it does is it sends text from your SIM card, and that's why you can verify your SIM card and get your UPI enabled. Now next thing is, it may work, it may not work, depending upon which type of phone you're using. Okay, so the first thing is, let's say for iPhone, and if this doesn't work, so if it doesn't work, sorry, if it doesn't work, call again on that number, 919910099100, and tell them that you want your SMS service to be enabled. Okay, in previous step also you had talk to them about your SMS service, but they basically don't do it if you don't call them for multiple times, and they will tell you it will take at least 4 hours, but actually it takes around 1 day. Now for Android it's easier. For Android, what you can do is, call them and they will give you an SMSC number, right? And then from there, it will be like it will like has star some number star has, and then 25 something like that, right? You basically call them and your SMS service gets activated, right? Now the next step is, after your SMS service gets activated, you again check with your by sending an SMS to your friend, and if it works, then you can go ahead with your GPay and Paytm and other UPI services. So for me, I was changing my SIM from I actually had an eSIM from Apple to Android, and then basically I had to it was a whole mess. And so, and this would work for you. If it doesn't, please comment below. If you have any questions, I will try to answer as I can